In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your grille on your Ford Taurus. It's located on the front, above your bumper. All right, you're going to need a trim tool and a flathead screwdriver. You're going to pry up the tab on the grommet first. Pull it out, and the whole thing should come out. Go to the next, pull it up, and it should come out. Sometimes they come out in two pieces. And the last one over here. Once you have those four out, you can take the grille off, and now we can transfer our logo onto the new one. To do that, I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to bring your new one over, flip that over. And it looks like we just push that up and away. And push this side up and away, and push this down. Once you get one side, you got to do the other. Be gentle, you don't want to break it. That comes out like that. You can transfer it to the next one, and you're just going to push it through. Okay, so now we can install the new one. I'm going to start by doing the back two. Or should I say the inside two? Insert the inside. All right, there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.